and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today we're removing tree stumps and we're going to show you a few different ways to get this thing out of the ground. Now first up, and this is my go-to, it's a serrated spade. So the edge on this, if I just show you, it has a serrated edge and this will get in nice and deep. We dig around the shrub, get all the soil out, so it wobbles a bit, but the roots will be firm down into the ground. If you haven't got a serrated shovel, you could try just a normal one, but put a very sharp edge on. So grind it down, put a nice edge on that. Forks are always good. Get in the ground, give it a bit of leverage. How you will be going to war with these things, because once they're in, they don't want to come out. So we can use a secret weapon. And that's basically a multi-tool. You can get in there, under, and if you can see the roots under the ground, use your multi-tool to break those free. Or an alternative, if you haven't got one, try one of these. It's a Japanese saw for fine woodworking, but in the garden it can do wonders. It can get under there, it's really thin, and it can just chop away at that root, and that'll just release it enough to get that root out there. So let's have a go. Now, full disclosure, I have done most of the work on here already. The big knots are already out of the way, which I took out with this bad boy. And it's a case of getting under. There's only one remaining. Right, so there is one just at the side, so multi-tool. And I seize her up. And she's out. We'll see you on the next video.